My name is Tamara Vrooman. I'm the President and CEO of Vancity Credit Union based in Vancouver in Canada. Vancity is a community-based cooperative, so we're owned by the people we serve, and we were founded 70 years ago in 1946 with people who couldn't get access to credit from traditional banks, and 14 members each came together and contributed $22 to create the first Vancity Credit Union. Since grown from that time, we now provide retail, commercial, investment, philanthropy, the full gamut from granting to equity. We employ 2,500 people. We serve a little over 500,000 members, and we have assets of $20 billion on balance sheet and about another $5 billion Canadian off balance sheet. Values-based banking, regenerative banking, responsible banking, I think those are all words that describe the same thing, which is really putting people and planet at the heart of what we do and looking for outcomes that aren't just short-term and financial, but are longer-term, sustainable from an environmental point of view, inclusive from a people point of view, and healthy from a total well-being and community point of view. It was really great to have the perspective, particularly from our architect colleague, who's really thinking about systemic change and thinking about the way that we need to organize ourselves in a different way. So I just thought it was a really good reminder that while we're working hard in the values-based movement to really create sustainable financial institutions, there's others that are working equally hard and that bring a different perspective that's very helpful to us. Yeah, there was a lot of interest. There was from Vancity in terms of being a practitioner. This is great in theory, but what does it look like on the ground? And so we were able to share a number of examples from our sustainability work. I don't think of the Global Alliance first and foremost as a not-for-profit organization. I think of it of an alliance of largely leaders in the values-based banking space. And in any sector, in any industry, there's often, in banking, your networks are organized around size or legal structure or geography. And really, when you think about it, none of those things really are uniting. What's really uniting here, though, is we have a diversity of size. We have a diversity of legal structure. We have cooperatives, we have foundation-based banks, we definitely have a diversity of geography. But the one thing that unites us is a commitment to pursuing, deepening, and strengthening a values-based business model. And that's a unique network. I've never experienced anything quite like it. I learn a lot from my CEO colleagues. It's humbling, it's energizing, it's exhausting, all at once. Quite honestly, it's the best network I belong to.